Rage bait, fake diet challenges. I quit clickbait. This is what's actually on your kid's feed right now. You can't watch every video they watch, but something can. Meet Nourous. It filters what your child sees automatically. Set it once, soft, controlled, or strict. Pick the topics to block and how strict each one gets. Clickbait, rage bait, violence, all tuned to your child's exact age. When they want something unlocked, they send a request. You approve it or deny it from wherever you are. See exactly what got filtered and why. It's all processed on the device. Nothing about what your kid watches ever gets uploaded. Get a clear weekly summary for every child right in your inbox. Invite the other parent in. Same profiles, same controls, same overrides. Nobody's left out of the loop. Pairing a new device takes about a minute. Nourous. Peace of mind for every feed. Start free at nourous.com. No card needed.